Hello everybody, this is our first example where we are going to solve a case of production externalities in its entirety. Let's get started. So the problem that we're solving is going to be as follows. We have two firms, firm A and firm B, which are located at opposite sides of a river. Firm A produces chemicals, which ends up polluting the river, and firm B runs a fishery that is downstream. The profits for each one of these firms are going to be given by the following functions. We're tasked with finding the private optimums of QA and QB of each firm. We're going to identify the social optimums of QA and QB, and then we're going to identify the Pigovian tax, which is needed to have the private optimums align with these social optimums. Now, we are going to find the private optimums of QA and QB of each firm, and that just involves taking the first order conditions of each of these profit functions. So just solving your standard profit maximization problem for each one of these firms. Rearranging each of these first order conditions, we find that the private optimums for QA and QB are given by QA being 25 and QB being 20. We're then going to solve for our social optimums of QA and QB. And again, that just involves adding up these firms' profit functions, thinking about them as a single firm, and then conducting a joint profit maximization here. And the first order conditions are going to be given as follows. Doing a little bit of algebra, we go and we find that our Pareto optimal amount of QA is going to be 16.66. You can also write it's 16 and 2/3. And our Pareto optimal amount of QB is going to be 20. It doesn't change at all. Next, we're going to identify the Pigovian tax, which is needed to have these private optimums align with these social optimums. Now, recall that the Pigovian tax should be set where our tax per unit is going to be equal to the marginal damage. Since firm A is damaging firm B here, the tax is going to be applied to firm A, and the marginal damage that is going to be given by firm B here. In this case, this is where TA is going to be equal to 0.2 times QA. Now, in order to solve this, we have to go and evaluate this tax at our social optimum. So we just plug it in right here, and we find that our tax that should be applied is 3.33 repeating, or 3 1/3. Now, to go and verify that this tax will produce our social optimum, we go and modify our firm A's profit function as follows, just going and shoving in that Pigovian tax term here. And what we're going to go and have here is that we're going to take our first order condition, and we are going to find that QA star is going to be 16.66 repeating. This is the same as our Pareto optimal quantity. So that's all you need to know for going and solving this case of production externalities. We're going to have a couple more examples, and I'll see you guys in the next video.